Hello there, how are you today? I'm Alexander from René of Paris and Aderans. So today, guys, I'm going to be sharing a little bit of something that's coming up from the holidays and something we're going to do which is going to be quite exciting. So everyone around the holidays generally has engagements, social plans, whether it be Zoom or virtual or seeing family, and sometimes you just want to get ready and you want to look great, but you want minimal hassle. So one of my tips for you is using Christine Headwear. So Christine Headwear is both great if you are suffering with hair loss and you want something to put on, or if you want something in between your wigs, or if you've got no hair loss whatsoever and you just want to wear one of these funky kind of bang on trend turbans. So you can see this one here, this colour is just stunning, absolutely stunning. So this one right now, this is a Zoya. So I'm going to come round. Now this wig we've got here is Lennox. So I'm just going to have a little look at Lennox and look at the face. And look at that gorgeous curl pattern. So if you just wanted to jazz that up a little bit, make it ready to go out, we're going to put the Zoya on. So first off, I hold it open like this. It's nice and flexible. See how cool that looks, guys? That just looks fantastic. You know, move the hair forward. And I mean, these have been so on trend right now, so easy to wear. Turning that to a side a little bit just looks really quite cool. And you could do all sorts with this, guys. You could put this round here. You could put like a little braid in here. You know, just put it into a side pony. Just dress it up. Looks really great. And if you imagine if you're wearing all black and you put something like that on, it'd be a real statement piece. This one, if you're feeling that little bit more festive around the holiday period, this one is a bit more gold. So I tend to like the golds if you want to warm your skin tone up a little bit. So, you know, this time of year, it can get a bit colder, we don't get so much sun. So this really gives your skin a nice little lift and a little glow. This one from Christine Headwear, the gold, is an Amy turban. Now we can see on the Amy, we've got this kind of nice little design in the fabric here, which looks really cool. So I'm just going to stretch this open. Now you could wear that on the front. I think it looks quite cool, just slightly off center. Now you could wear that quite far forward. You could pull it back off your face, but I like it just a little bit off center. I think it looks really fashionable, really cool. You can see the Amy from Christine Headwear looks amazing. I love this gold colour. I think it's super festive for the holiday period. It looks amazing, and you know, you could just quickly, if you don't want to do your hair, quickly pop one of those on, look $1 million, wear it with a wig, without a wig, with hair, without any hair. It'll make you look $1 million and keep those winter chills off. So, however you're going to be celebrating the holidays this year, from me, Alexander Turnbull and René of Paris, wishing you very, very happy holidays. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch us on Instagram and follow us on all social media platforms. From myself, Alexander, René of Paris and Aderans, wishing you very happy holidays. See you later. Bye-bye.